Today we are back with another unboxing. So this is also a present from one of my brother. So his name is Anukul Sharma, and today we are back with our trusty yet trusty knife. So let's just go ahead and unbox it without wasting any time. So forgot to mention that Kalyan is also with us. He's helping us making the B-roll. So thank you, Kalyan. And maybe one day if you want, you can also be in the vlog that we make, right? So this is the below here. I'm just going to hide it. Sorry, I'm just going to hide it. And this is the product itself. I know what it is because Guddu had sent me this product from Flipkart, and Flipkart, what it does is that it sends you a message in which you can check what the product is. So thanks a lot, Guddu, for sending me this product. So let's just go ahead and see what's in the box. So this is the wallet itself, and let's just see what else comes in the box. So nothing else apart from this. Let me keep this aside, and let's just open this up. Guddu has a very good taste in products such as fashion accessories. He also has a really good eye for cars and bikes and phones, along with that clothes and things like that. So that's a good thing about him. And I don't know how to open it. Okay, so this is how we open it. Let me just keep it to the side. So this looks nice. So it has two compartments over here, and a place to keep your cards. This is not a real card. So this is how it looks like. Looks really premium and feels premium too. So thank you, Guddu, for providing me with this wallet.